If you're encountering a login block message on Optimizely, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect your credentials are incorrect, use the Forgot Password option to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Src to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with login processes. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Optimizely's support team for further assistance. Provide them with details about the problem for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login blocked issue and access your Optimizely account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.